Hey everyone! Duff here, ready for some spooky sweet fun in the kitchen? Today, we're making Friendly Ghost Cupcakes, perfect for Halloween parties or family nights. These cupcakes are easy, adorable, and guaranteed to make everyone smile. Baking together is the best way to make memories, and this recipe is simple enough for everyone to join in. I love seeing your creative spins on my recipes, so let me know where you're baking from in the comments. No fancy tools needed, just basic ingredients and a little imagination. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, and let's get started. I'll walk you through every step: moist chocolate cupcakes, fluffy marshmallow frosting, and fun decorating. Ready to bake the best ghost cupcakes ever? Let's do this! Let's gather our ingredients for these ghostly treats. For the cupcakes, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, eggs, warm water, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Buttermilk gives a tangy kick, and vanilla brings warmth. For the frosting, softened unsalted butter, marshmallow crème, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Marshmallow crème is the secret to our fluffy ghosts. For decorating, small black candy eyeballs, 2 per cupcake. You can find these in most grocery stores around Halloween. Measure everything out before you start for a smooth baking process. That's it, simple, sweet, and ready for fun. Let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a muffin tin with festive cupcake liners. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk eggs, warm water, buttermilk, oil, and vanilla. Pour wet ingredients into dry and mix until just combined. Don't overmix. The batter will be thin, but that's perfect for moist cupcakes. Fill liners 2/3 full and bake for 18-22 minutes. Check doneness with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Let cupcakes cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Make sure they're completely cool before frosting. Now, let's whip up that marshmallow frosting. In a large bowl, beat softened butter until creamy and light. Add marshmallow crème and vanilla, mixing until smooth. Gradually add powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low to avoid a sugar cloud. Once all sugar is in, whip on medium-high for 3 to 4 minutes until fluffy. If the frosting is too thick, add a splash of milk. If too thin, add more sugar. Taste for sweetness and adjust if needed. The frosting should be thick enough to pipe, but soft enough to spread. That's it. Your marshmallow ghost frosting is ready. Time to decorate. Make sure your cupcakes are cool, then fill a piping bag with frosting. Pipe a tall swirl on each cupcake to create a ghost shape. Don't worry about perfection. Each ghost can have its own personality. While the frosting is still soft, press 2 candy eyeballs into each ghost. Add edible glitter or Halloween sprinkles for extra flair if you like. Decorating is the best part. Let kids join in and get creative. Your Friendly Ghost Cupcakes are ready to party. Share them at your next Halloween bash or family night. For the full recipe, visit my website and tag me in your spooky creations. Happy baking, everyone!